Today's recipe comes from this 1941 Better Homes and Gardens magazine. We're going to be making corned beef cabbage rolls. The corned beef hash is coming from a can, so be prepared. Yes. Let's see what this taste of the past tastes like. First, you have to dice up onions, which I already did because no one wants to watch anybody dicing up onions. And then you open up 1 can of corned beef hash, a can, 16-ounce can, corned beef hash. I'm not gonna lie, it looks like dog food. And it smells pretty gross as well. Take a look. Yeah. But we can get through it. We can just, you know, if they did it in the 40s, we can do it today. That's the smell, that is the smell. And then you're gonna take 8 large cabbage leaves, which also, this is not easy, you guys, this is not easy. But we're gonna roll up the corned beef hash in. But first we have to soften them so we can roll them. Also gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350. Let's start with this one. Dip it in boiling water. I love cabbage. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's gonna be toughy. I gotta add pepper. I know it's not in the recipe. It doesn't call for salt or pepper, but we need it. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a little bit of salt and we're gonna do a lot of bit of pepper. Because pepper's the best. You're gonna take your baking dish. I'm gonna scoop a dollop of corned beef hash on my cabbage. Toothpicks. Stick a toothpick in, keep it closed. All right, arrange your cabbage rolls. And then you're gonna pour 3/4 of a cup of water with a bouillon cube dissolved in. And pour that around your cabbage rolls. You're gonna take some butter and you're gonna use your handy brush. And you're gonna brush it on. Now I'm using dairy-free butter because I can't have dairy. Unfortunately, that is my life. And so many of you have the same life. So feel free to substitute, who cares? All right, and we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. It's ready. Yum. Not bad for canned goods. Maisel. All right, let's cut into this. I'm a little scared of the corned beef because it's from a can. I don't know. It just looks like dog food. I can't help it. It's hot. Okay. It's tasty. It's not gross. I think if I made this again, I would just make the corned beef myself, but that's just like a long day of cooking. So the cabbage is good. Cabbage is really good. And the corned beef and potato, it kind of has like this it's like has a good flavor, but then it has this like mushy mush taste to it, which I I don't really like. I'm gonna try it with a little bit of hot sauce. Try the green habanero sauce. If you like corned beef hash in a can, you will love this because it's not bad. It's a texture thing for me. Love the cabbage. I love potatoes, but the meat part in the hash, it's like smushy. And it's hard to get past that smush. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Definitely inspires me to want to make some kind of cabbage roll dish. Maybe just not with a canned meat. If you have any family heirloom vintage recipes that you would like me to try on my channel, send them to me. alittle-love-design-co@gmail.com.